How to fix PlayStation black screen problem. To fix the PlayStation black screen problem, you have to simply perform a hard power cycle and also reset the HDMI handset. Turn off the console completely by holding the physical power button on the front panel until it stops blinking. Unplug the power cable from the back of the PlayStation and the wall outlet. Unplug the HDMI cable from the both of the console and the TV. Then leave everything unplugged for 2 full minutes to completely drain any residual power. Now you simply have to plug the HDMI cable back in firmly and then reconnect the power cable and turn on the console. This should fix your issue, or what you can also do is try to change the resolution in safe mode. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.